Hi, welcome to eGraphic. Do you need a photo editing service? We provide all kinds of photo editing services: clipping path, photo retouch, background remove. Every service per pic is 25 cents and in 24 hours. If you want pixel perfect image editing, don't lose your time further than the clipping path service. Clipping path service is simply removes or cuts a background from photos. Clipping path service is the most in-demand service we provide to our clients. It is the best solution for removing the background from an image or isolating specific elements within an image for further editing. We supply handmade clipping path using Adobe Photoshop pen tool to have the best quality output, whether background removal, background replacement, mannequin removal, unwanted object removal, simple path selection, etc. Depending on the quality of complexity of the image to be clipped, we set the pricing. It is easy to use, efficient, cost-effective, and time-effective, so why not give it a try? Thank you. Good day.